Ashley in Idaho Falls and Pocatello is spreading good news by bringing you Feel Good Friday.
Happy Friday, everybody. You know what that means. It's time for Feel Good Friday. I'm Nate Eaton. Have you ever been to the Osgood store? It's right here, right off of I-15. And we got an email about the guy that works here. He might be the only employee, I'm not sure. He probably is, but this is what the message said. I wanted to share that the man working at the service station off the Osgood exit needs some recognition. A few weeks ago, there was a horrible storm. Several trucks had to exit here due to bad roads. My mom was sitting there at the gas station for quite a while waiting for the weather to clear. She said the man in the gas station came out to all of the windows and let them know that coffee and hot chocolate were free. He came out with ice melt from his store. He put it on a spot on the road to try to avoid people sliding into a truck that was parked here. He fell on the ice but kept hustling around trying to do what he could to help. He might be a great candidate for Feel Good Friday. Well, we agree, and we hope that the guy who did that is here today. We don't know his name. We don't really know anything about him other than what was sent in to us, but we have a feeling he's a pretty good person, so we're gonna go inside and see if he's here and thank him. We got him a $100 gift card so that he can go out to dinner. Let's go thank him. Hello? Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You might be the guy we're looking for. I'm with East Idaho News. Have you worked here for a while?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you remember around Christmas time when there was a big storm and people were stranded here?
Mm-hmm.
Did you go out and offer free coffee and hot chocolate to everybody?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, you're the guy we want. So somebody sent us an email asking if we would come and thank you.
Well, they're welcome, but you know, we're all a part of this community. We all have to do what's right.
Yeah.
And I just feel bad that all those people had their vehicles kind of underwater, you know?
Yeah, they said that a lot of them were stuck. You offered coffee, hot chocolate, you put out ice melt for people, and you even slipped on the ice yourself. You might not remember that, but
No, I remember that.
you remember that part.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all a part of living here,
Yeah.
right? I mean, roads get bad, the weather's bad, and we clean up and we move on.
Well, good for you. We wanted to come and thank you. We do a segment called Feel Good Friday, and we want to send you to dinner. So we got a gift card. There's $100. You can use at any of those restaurants.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
What was your name?
My name is Ripu.
Ripu.
Yeah.
I'm Nate.
Good to meet you, Nate.
This is Jordan.
Jordan, good to meet you as well.
And how long have you worked here?
Oh, I have this place since 2006.
Well, we're glad you're in our community. Thank you for what you did. And if I hope I'm never stranded. But if I am, I'm coming
Come on
here.
over here, right?
All right.
Thank you so much, you guys.
Thank you.
Ashley in Idaho Falls and Pocatello is spreading good news by bringing you Feel Good Friday.